We hope that this video has inspired you to eat healthy and take care of your body. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Spinach is rich in many nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, folate, and potassium. People who take blood thinners have irritable bowel syndrome and kidney problems should limit the intake of spinach. Kale is a nutrition superstar due to the amounts of vitamins A, B6, C, folic fiber, carotenoids, and manganese it contains. People who may need to avoid or limit kale intake are those who form oxalate containing kidney stones or take the blood thinners Coumadin or warfarin. These leafy greens are all rich in vitamins and minerals, making them great for the immune system. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them great for weight loss. Nuts and seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats. These healthy fats are much better alternatives to lower the probability of strokes, which cause 1 in 6 deaths from heart disease. You may want to take note that Julia's favorite nuts are almonds and walnuts, and she eats them. Nuts. What can nuts do? They're packed with healthy polyunsaturated fats and magnesium, 2 important nutrients for heart health. These nutrients may also offer protection against insulin resistance, which can lead to diabetes. Antioxidant compounds found in nuts, including ellagic acid and resveratrol, can reduce the wear and tear on your body from free radicals. This lowers inflammation, which may reduce cancer risk. Plus, nuts provide insoluble fiber, which studies suggest may help you stay healthy by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Spread nut butter on toast, grab a handful of nuts for a snack, or make your own simple trail mix. Starchy foods. Starchy foods are the main source of carbohydrate and play an important role in a healthy diet. They are also a good source of energy and the main source of a range of nutrients in your diet. As well as starch, they contain fiber, calcium, iron, and B vitamins. Tips to eat more starchy foods. These tips can help you to increase the amount of starchy foods in your diet. Choose whole grain varieties to increase the amount of fiber you are eating. Porridge is perfect as a warming winter breakfast. Whole oats with fruit and yogurt make a great summer breakfast. Opt for whole grain cereals or mix some in with your favorite cereal. Diet. She loves fruits and vegetables and believes that they are the key to her energy and longevity. We found a thorough scientific reasoning that a plant-based diet indeed adds up to a decade to your life expectancy. According to a new research in 2022 by Professor Fans and his team in the University of Oregon, the optimal diet is 1 of legumes, whole grains, nuts, vegetables, and fruit based on data from over 7,000 doctors and scientists around the globe and similar research from institutions such as Cornell and Harvard universities. The risks of premature death are reduced simply by replacing animal products with plant-based. Miso soup is a staple in Japanese cuisine and provides a warm and comforting addition to any meal. Miso paste is made from fermented soybeans and is rich in probiotics as well as essential amino acids and minerals. Overall, Takashima's dinner is a great example of a balanced and nutritious meal by including a variety of protein sources, vegetables, fermented foods, and whole grains. She is able to provide her body with the fuel it needs to stay healthy and strong by following. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in calcium, iron, and other important nutrients. Boiled spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Korean kimchi is another fermented food in her meal that is rich in probiotics, which help to support good health and digestion. The spice goes very well with fish for dinner. Takashima enjoys natto. Again, natto is another fermented food that is high in protein and contains a unique enzyme called nattokinase. This enzyme may think the blood and help break up blood clots. This might protect against heart disease and conditions caused by blood clots such as stroke, heart attack, and others. The lettuce Tomato salad with chicken provides a fresh and crunchy addition to the meal, while also supplying fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. Natto is a traditional Japanese dish consisting of fermented soybeans and characterized by a slimy, sticky and stringy texture. It has many nutritional benefits and is extremely popular in Japan. The smell may be surprising to newcomers, but natto is packed with nutrition. Just eating a 100-gram portion, you can enjoy 67 of the daily value of manganese, 48 of iron, 27 of magnesium and zinc, and also moderate levels of vitamin K, calcium, potassium, and selenium, among others. Natto contains more probiotics than non-fermented soybeans. This reduces unpleasant digestive symptoms and helps your body absorb nutrients more easily. You may think natto is hard to obtain, but in fact, it is easy to make at home. All you need are soybeans and fermented soybean powder to start the fermenting process. Can be easily made in a yogurt maker, but those who prefer not to do it from scratch, you can also buy them easily in a Japanese food store nearby. Fruit is bananas, and she eats them regularly. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and keeps the heart healthy. Potassium is a critical element in several bodily functions, such as the movement of muscles, regulating the water levels in the body, and preventing cramps. They are also rich in fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy. No wonder we see athletes all go bananas over bananas. What's also great about bananas is that it helps to get a good night's sleep. Bananas are an excellent source of magnesium and potassium, which help relax overstressed muscles because they also contain tryptophan, which converts to serotonin and melatonin, the brain's key calming hormones. They have a relaxing effect on the body in general. Berries. All berries are great sources of fiber, a nutrient that most Americans don't get enough of. Fiber helps keep your digestive system healthy and working properly, keeps you feeling full, and it's good for your heart. All berries are good for you, so be sure to mix it up. In the winter, when berries aren't in season, grab frozen berries without sweeteners and use them in smoothies, oatmeal, or even thawed in yogurt. Raspberries, one of the best breakfast foods for weight loss, boast the most fiber at 8 grams per cup and also contain ellagic acid, a compound with anti-cancer properties. The same amount of blueberries has half the fiber, 4 grams, but is packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that may help keep memory sharp as you age. A cup of strawberries contains 3 grams of fiber, but more than a full day's recommended dose of skin-firming vitamin C. She also loves yogurt. Yogurts can be high in protein, calcium, vitamins, and live culture or probiotics, which can enhance the gut microbiota. These can offer protection for bones and teeth and help prevent digestive problems. Low-fat yogurt can be a useful source of protein. On a weight loss diet, probiotics may boost the immune system. In 2014, researchers found trusted source that consuming yogurt may help protect against type 2 diabetes. Remember, Julia loves eating natural yogurt without added sugar or her meals. Hurricane. To get the best health benefits, eat fresh fruit and vegetables as soon as possible rather than storing for a long time, or use frozen instead. Don't overcook. Start with boiling water and cover tightly to keep in the steam, because this speeds up the cooking. Use a steamer or a microwave. Use as little water as possible when you cook fruit or vegetables, or use the cooking water for sauce or soup to recapture some of the lost vitamins and minerals. Avoid leaving any vegetables open to the air, light or heat. If they have been cut, always cover and chill them.